Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. Today we've got something from Pennsylvania. This is a package from a reader named Chris G. And I want to say thank you very much. He just went on a trip around Europe and was kind enough to think of the Ramen Raider and grab some instant noodles along his travels, and they're in here. So let's crack it open and have a look. Alright, and here we are. So check this one out. I can't remember where he said this was from. This is either from like, I want to say it was from Spain. And this one translated to being curry. So that sounds kind of interesting. Cool. And for sure this Yatacomo is from Spain. I've had a couple varieties that were sent by other readers that have gone and visited. Here's a curry one. This one says pollo de soja. I have no idea. Maybe it's soy sauce chicken? I'm not sure. Wow, well, cool. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it when you guys go out of your way and send me some noodles. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.